Hello fellow planters, I thought I'd show you guys my Sarracenia in bloom, and this is an unusual variety of hybrid that if you notice, like, let's show you close up, if you notice how you have some nice veins at the top which have a slight almost whiteness like a Leucophila, but these are huge pitchers and green like a Flava. So I feel like it could be a hybrid between the two, but I'm not sure. And what's really unusual is most pitcher plants, whether hybrid or not, the entire flower tends to be reddish, whereas this one, only the petals are red and the rest is green. And let me rephrase that. Unless they're like a Flava which has yellow petals, they tend to be reddish. So this is unusual in that the flower is for the most part green except for the petals. But what's really unusual is, like, you can see how these get really tall and they topple on their own weights, and then when it rains these pitchers will fill up drastically and fall down. But if you look here, let me show you how tall these pitchers can get. So right from there, right there, going all the way up, this one is, oh, I'm out of focus, about 33 inches. This one here that's leaning, that could be even a little more. I'm gonna have to lean the tape measure with it. Whoops. So yeah, that one's literally nearly 3 inches. It's about 34 inches long. I'm gonna have to stand this up and measure. So hold on while I adjust this. Okay, so now by holding it, yeah, it's about 33. So that's all this one is. So these get close to 3 foot long and then they can't support their own weight. Now here is my other container where I have a mix. This is it was such a small seedling that I purchased from the farmer's market. And this one was another one that now is finally growing after I stuck it in here. I recently bought a Sarracenia purpurea. Now this one here that has a small flower bud, I can't wait to watch that flower grow, because this big tall pitcher here that's still developing is a Leucophila. Now this is a hybrid variety that I've had for years, and a couple years ago it started to flower, and I had one flower and a squirrel destroyed it. Those blasted pesky squirrels. But look at the nice shade of red on these. It's just so nice, but the whole flower is red, even part of the stem, like the upper portion, then it turns green as it goes down to the plant. And those pitchers tend to be a little redder in color than the other ones that are flowering. And then right over here here, if you can see it, there's a spider web with a spider that's eating the pitcher's food. Then right here I have a Sarracenia rubri. They had one at the local nursery recently that was, change focus, that was flowering. And right here, if you can see it, here's like a fresh leaf. This is a Sarracenia minor. So these are the Sarracenias that I have over here. I have a little bit in another area, but they're the same like this hybrid variety. But how about we show you now some nice close-up footage of these pitchers. So here's a nice close-up of one of these hybrids I have. And let's show you guys much greater magnification. Right there you can see the texture and the venation on the top of the hood. Okay, so now the flower. Let's show you guys some close-ups of those if I can. What you're seeing is blurry video. So you can see there. See the nice detail, the very close-up, and now the petal, the wind. Let's show you guys these up close. May have to reorient the camera based on the light. Okay, so I changed perspective and angles so you guys can see probably better with the way the lights from the sun is shining. I have these in the shade, but it changes throughout the day. And there's a close-up of the innards. Let's see if I can get a really good close-up of them. Yeah, you can see all that detail on the inside. How about the other hybrid? Okay, let me try to hold this so you can see the detail, including the fly that's right over there. Or, yeah, whatever kind of bug that is. Right there. Ain't she a beaut? Now close up of these petals. Let's get a really good close up. How about the hood of these? So we have this one here. You can see the detail. And now let's get a close-up of the hairs. If I can. Oh, the lens jumped. So let me hunch down. Get in really close. And it's not working. Okay, so you can see some of these hairs right there, very close up. Okay, so here is a close-up of the deformed picture. I don't know why sometimes they develop all deformed. Let's see if we can find any hairs in there. Oops, there we go. Anyway. So now we're gonna just do a profile of the inside of the hood. See the little bug in there? Ooh, come into my mouth, you little bug. And you can see the rim. And here's the operculum of another hood. You can see the detail. Let's get a really good close-up of the leaves if I can. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, found it insightful on my pitcher plants that are in my collection. Well, my North American pitcher plants in my collection. At least the different varieties I have in there. Let me zoom out a little bit. And found this insightful. So thanks for watching and happy planting.